In this section, we will explain functions that include arguments. These arguments are separated from each other using a particular character. It should be noted that this character can change depending on the regional settings of your operating system. We will use the comma. However, it is also common to use the semicolon for this purpose. If you encounter problems when inserting the formulas that we will explain, you could try to use the semicolon as argument separator. Here we should start by reminding you that to insert a function within Excel, you can use the special insert function command, available on the left of the formula bar or in the Formulas tab. A window will appear with a wizard that will allow you to insert a function and set its arguments. Alternatively, you can type the function in the formula bar or directly in the cell, preceding it by an equal, which indicates to the computer that the following text is a formula or function. Excel contains various functions related to the indication of the date. First of all, it should be specified that when we see a date in Excel, it is already the product of an elaboration. Excel, in fact, considers dates as a progressive serial number starting from January 1st, 1900. The day January 1st, 1900 is indicated as 1, January 2, 1900 as 2, February 1st, 1900 as 32, and so on. January 1st, 2020 is 43831 because it is the day 43831 starting from January 1st, 1900. Excel shows the user the translation of this number as a more comprehensible date. The fact that behind the scenes a progressive number is used is to allow for the calculation of operations with dates. For example, subtracting the 1st of January 2020, whose value is 43831, from the 1st of February 2020, whose value is 43862, we will have 43862 minus 43831, which is equal to 31, which is the difference of days that have passed. Viewing this number below is simple. Just use the choice menu formed in the Numbers group of the Home tab and transform the date into number or text. On the contrary, by selecting Short Date or Long Date, the number 43831 will be shown as 01/01/2020 or Wednesday, January 1st, 2020. Further formats can be specified manually in more number formats, according to the indications given in paragraph 1.1.3 above. As already mentioned, there are functions that involve dates. The simplest is today. By typing equals today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, the current date will be displayed. This can also be used in formulas. For example, supposing that there is a date in cell A1, you can write equals today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, minus A1, and you will get an indication of how many days have passed since the date indicated in A1. Similarly, the equals now, open parenthesis, close parenthesis function indicates the current date and time. Furthermore, it is possible to extrapolate from the serial number that distinguishes the date, the value of the day, month, and year to use them in formulas or to make comparisons. For example, from the day 43862, which we remember to be February 1st, 2020, through the day, month, and year functions, the relative values can be displayed. Suppose we entered the value 43862 in A1. Using equals day, open parenthesis, A1, close parenthesis, we will get the result 1. Using equals month, open parenthesis, A1, close parenthesis, we will get the result 2, that is February. Using equals year, open parenthesis, A1, close parenthesis, we will get 2020. It is also possible to indicate the serial number directly in the parenthesis, writing, for example, equals year, open parenthesis, 43862, close parenthesis, so as to obtain 2020.